Hi guys, if you happen to just be browsing and you run into my channel, please like and subscribe. And to all FK gang, welcome back. Okay, so today I'm gonna be making some mini mango, walnut, and coconut muffins. And here's my ingredients for today, guys. This is my mango, diced mangoes, coconut, egg, oil, walnut butter, self-raised flour, vanilla, cinnamon sugar, cinnamon, and granulated sugar with some raisin. This is my ingredients for today, guys. All right, so guys, so you know your measurement for your ingredients will be in your description below your video. Okay, so here's the sugar and butter. I'm adding some butter, melted butter, and some vegetable oil. Guys, I'm gonna add my egg, one egg. To this guy, I'm just gonna add a half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. And now I'm gonna add this to my flour. And I had some cinnamon, fold it in. For this, guys, I'm gonna add my mangoes. Guys, you can puree your mango for this recipe also, but I wanted mango chunks. I want when I bite in my muffin, I can bite a piece of mango. You know what I mean? I'm gonna go in with some walnuts and some coconuts. Okay guys, remember to grease your muffin cans. So guys, with just a spoon, your dinner spoon, you put 1 spoonful. So guys, I'm making half with some raisins because the camera girl don't like raisins. And I like raisins. Guys, I'm putting on some extra mangoes on the top. And some cinnamon sugar. With your oven set at 350, preheat at 350, we're gonna put these in for like 45 to 50 minutes. So I'll see you then. Okay, FK gang, I'm at the end of another segment and I'm here to present my mango coconut walnut mini muffins. Guys, these are so delicious. You can just grab one for breakfast in the morning, or 2, or if you're like me, 3. Anyway, thank you for tuning in today. Please remember that Fergie loves you. And guys, please remember, ingredients will be in the bottom section of description under your video. Enjoy. Bye bye.